It's Hannah. That's Maya. You should know that by now. If not, get off the channel. Because it's my house. This video is pointless. Like me. And me. We just wanted to update you guys on our life.
They don't care about our life.
It's been a really long time since we've uploaded. Mostly because we don't have any video days. We're not interesting people. We're too lazy to edit.
We have a lot going on, including mental illnesses. Well,
She's got mental illnesses. I don't. We started high school. So, one of the high school type deals is homework. Lots
don't care about homework.
of homework. And that's why we can't upload. Mostly because of the lazy thing, but, you know, we'll just blame it on homework.
We're probably not even going to edit this video, let's be honest. It's just not going to go up. Whoa. Oh.
This is how to come up with the video idea.
We're cringy.
Screeching noise style. I mean,
Style.
we have a Twitter now. Do you remember the Twitter username?
No, do you remember it?
I believe it's Screeching Noise, but I may be wrong.
We'll put it in the link.
We'll put a description in the link there for you guys. Look how oily my forehead is.
You're disgusting.
Okay, this is how to come up with the YouTube video.
That was not okay. That's not socially acceptable to say.
What, YouTube?
YouTube.
I didn't say YouTube.
You said YouTube.
I said YouTube.
What's the YouTube video?
It was a
Oh, right. Oh, God.
Seriously. Listen!
Linda?
Remaster! Listen. We need a Open your hearing orifices and pay attention to me.
That's so mean.
Best friend, I love you sometimes.
Ow. Are you gonna cry?
We should basically name this what not to talk about in a YouTube video. Did you just flip off the camera?
No. I am now.
Hey! Put that away! No one wants to see that nasty thing.
Oh.
So, we're both wearing white because we've got a pep rally today and it's our class color. And literally everybody hates white. Except for me, so.
It's the opposite of my soul, so.
Yeah. My soul is like a freaking rainbow. Because gay is okay. I'm not gay. This is not my coming out video yet. But.
Yet.
I'm not gay yet. So. Back to the video. When did we. When were we on track of the video?
Back when we had talent.
I know, right? What
Actually,
happened?
we didn't even have talent.
Oh.
Not right now. That's against the law in our school.
Guys and gals, and so there's a YouTuber named David Dobrik. He's pretty great. Check him out. He and his friends joke that he only has subscribers that are 12. We joke that our subscribers are 40.
And have foot fetishes. And someone was like, oh hey, I'm not 40, I'm 25.
Yeah, thanks for making us feel better about ourselves.
Let's
So,
just start from scratch.
this video?
No. A new video. No. When we come up, this is the idea video. Coming up for the idea. Then
Then we're gonna make a video about the idea. So, how about this? I don't know.
great idea, Hannah.
What if we... Okay, here's the thing. We can't do food videos because Maya will throw up. Because she doesn't eat. She's anorexic.
And we're actually gonna believe that.
She's not anorexic. Guys, that was a joke. She's not anorexic.
I heard that you needed help.
Ow, my eye! I'm wearing contacts. Why is this part of my face so red?
Because I touched it.
Because you hit it.
I've got
You're
AIDS.
like,
I don't have AIDS. That was a joke.
I think you have AIDS.
Aww. It's really soft.
Is it on fire?
This is my brother's. He's probably like peed on it or something.
Ew. Why did I touch it?
Oh, we're gonna make a video about us making a video. And in that video, it's gonna be about what video I'm gonna make. This is like a really long gag reel TV. This is like Amazing Phil is not on fire, but with two girls.
She's high.
I'm back.
Wait, what are we doing?
I don't know.
Might cost.
Okay, you're gonna have to awkwardly twist your arm.
Wait, let's just...
No penises.
I'm not gonna draw any penises.
Gay is okay. Okay, seriously.
I barely even hit you. That's for all the abuse that you've done to me.
Yeah, I probably
Over the
I
years.
deserved a lot more than that.
Yeah, you probably do.
That hurt my arm really bad.
I don't care.
We still don't have a video to come up with, and it's been 13 minutes and 30
minutes
seconds.
and 30 seconds.
We could do a drawing competition, and Abby could be the judge.
I'm gonna win.
Yeah, well, then the loser... The loser has to, do the rainbow milk challenge. Just kidding, I don't
No!
wanna throw up.
Whoa!
I don't want to throw up. We've got
Me
a pep
neither.
rally in an hour.
We need to eat dinner too.
What if we do cooking with Hannah and Maya?
What would we cook? Dino nuggets?
Yeah.
Oh my god, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah!
That's it?
Yeah!
We got our idea? Okay, we're also gonna make up an awesome handshake. On TV. In front of the entire world.
On TV?
You've got an eyelash on your nose. It's gotta start out better than that. What if we like...
It'll end better than that, don't worry.
Okay, so... That too, okay.
Pick your next thing. Pick your next thing.
No, I have an idea. Okay. So start like this. Here you go. Then butterfly, or bird.
By the way.
And then we're gonna go like this. Okay. And then hand hug. And then we're gonna interlock our fingers. Okay. And then bend them all the way back.
Oh.
And pop them.
Wait.
Oh no!
Wait,
No!
wait, I want you to see my better idea. I have a better idea. Actually, no, I don't. I never have a good idea.
Well, I like the idea of this. But then what? After this?
I like your idea. It's a good idea.
Hand hug.
Ow! Mother.
Slow mo down. And then we have to touch elbows. Okay, we're gonna come back up. We're gonna go like this. And then we're gonna hold hands again. Then we're gonna shake hands. Okay. We have to make it faster. Hand hug, fingers, slow motion dab. Alrighty, so you know what we should do? We should do this. We should go like this, okay? And then we go fade away. We will put a link for our Twitter. This is Satan, and I'm Hellsa, and we will see you guys in the Dino Nuggets video.